Hey there, welcome to today's video, where we'll dive into a fascinating problem related to optimizing JavaScript code. In this case, we have a script that runs faster in the first loop compared to subsequent loops when a callback argument is involved. It's quite an interesting problem to explore, so let's dig deeper into why this happens. In short, the solution to this intriguing issue lies in the concept of inlining. When a callback function is called with only one target function, and the containing function is optimized, the optimizing compiler decides to inline that call target. This means that instead of actually calling the function, the empty function is essentially embedded within the code for faster execution. However, when different callbacks are introduced, the optimized code needs to be de-optimized, and the inlining process is no longer applied, resulting in a performance decrease. To further elaborate on the solution, when the same callback is passed in the second call to the function, there is no need for de-optimization. The initially generated optimized code can still be utilized, maintaining the faster execution speed. It's essential to note that defining multiple callbacks with the same empty source code doesn't qualify as using the same callback in this context. In summary, we've uncovered an intriguing phenomenon in JavaScript optimization, where the inlining of callback functions can significantly impact the performance of the code. It's a subtle, yet crucial aspect to consider when crafting efficient JavaScript applications. I hope you found this exploration insightful, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more tech content, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy coding.